Hello, good morning, traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel. Uh, Before we dive in, just a reminder that everything we discuss here is purely for educational purpose. Make sure to do your own research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Now let's starting off with the updates in commodities markets. The soybean oil on yesterday's session was closed for the President's Day and will resume trading today. Thailand active palm oil contracts rose 16 points to close higher at 905 to on the previous night sessions. Malaysia crude palm oil futures on yesterday recovered from early losses to close higher on Monday, though the gain were limited by weaker soy oil price and a lower palm oil export estimate for the first half of February. FCPO May month's contract rose 43 points to close higher at 4542. The actively traded FCPO contracts remains in a wide range of the sideways consolidations, with the movement is currently pointing down to the downward buyers trading. The price facing a resistance below 4545 to 4550 zones, forming another lower highs. This is first high and then lower highs, first lower high, and the second lower highs over here, and the downward channels in these hourly charts. Given the current setup, the sell on rebound strategy is preferred, with the price likely to decline towards 70 to 65, potentially moving down to this range. A break below this range could extend the downside towards 4445 to 40, another support range. However, if the resistance of 4545 to 4550 is the market's going up and stabilize over here, then we might see the upside move towards 4585 to 4590 range. This could be expected, and just stay alert for the potentials of the sentiment change. So for morning session, our call for CPO market will be short positions may be open below 4542 with the target to set at 4519 to 4494. And the stop loss to set at 4562. Alternatively, long positions may be open above 4542 with the targets to set at 4564 to 4590 and the stop loss to set at 4522. And next, we turning our focus to the index market. The Dow Jones Index cash markets was closed yesterday for the President Day and will resume trading on tonight. US stock futures, while it's open on yesterday and closed early, rose on a Monday night, starting a holiday shortened trading weeks on a positive note. A significant portions of last week gains came on a Thursday after President Donald Trump proposal for reciprocal tariff on the country imposing levies on U.S. goods reassured investors who had feared stricter measures. The FPMKLCI Malaysia Benchmark Index yesterday's sessions closed lower, diverging from the gains in other regional indices, as more than 700 stocks finished in the red. FKLI February month contracts dropped 6.5 points to close lower at 1586. The actively traded FKLI contracts month recently faced a resistance in the area of 1604 to 05, which is the resistance of the downside. The downtrend movement built since the early of the January, and resistor over here, the market is coming down, and it's quite clear that this is the sign of the dodgy reversal of the trends. However, previously, when the market coming down and tried to perform the double bottoms at 1535 to 36 range over here, the index after it's coming up to 1585 range over here is forming a sideways consolidations, and we see cues the markets when trying to break over the sideways consolidation with very strong candles, bullish candles, and At the moment, we see this area 1580 to F5 as a key support level where the markets will continue to further upside if supported over here will coming up again and slightly trading above 1590 to and trying to potentially testing a 1600 range against. Right, and however, if the markets fail to support at this range, we might see the further corrections towards around 1577 to 1575 range is potentially just stay above cautious on the potential sentiment change. So at the moment, the market is trading at a crucial range. Yeah. Right, so here's our view for the morning session. As we wrap up, keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires both seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change, protect your capital, and trade wisely. Wishing you all successful and safe trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.